Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the Boolean operations. We have three types of Boolean operations: the addition, the subtraction, and the intersection. And the function is very visible, very easy to access. So inside 3D model menu, we have this command here, which has a little arrow pointing down, and inside you have the three Boolean operations that you can have. There are a couple of options between the mixing of not only solids but having sheet bodies also working with these Boolean operations. So with that purpose in my mind, I've created two sets of objects. In this one, a cylinder and a sheet body with this little stranger shape, and two solids, one cylinder and one cube, that will allow us to create a couple of examples of what is possible to do. Nevertheless, I recommend you to consult our theoretical course because we have some information in form of tables prepared to explain all the possibilities and the mixing between solids and sheets and all that mixing and different possibilities for each of these Boolean operations and the result for each possibility. Okay, so Boolean operation, the first one, addition. For example, in the solids, you have this area here where it shows all the different possibilities we have for target bodies and tool bodies, and if we are just doing a normal selection or faces. There are a lot of different possibilities in here. I will show you the very basic concept of Boolean also only so that we don't mix too much confusion in these. So again, addition, so target body, tool body, and simply confirm, and now you get one single solid that, for example, if you want to create a fillet, now you can do it because it's one single body. Okay. In addition, if we do it target body and sheet body, then you get a different result. Okay. For subtraction, in this particular case, it is important to know which one is the target body first. So if the target is this one and the tool is this one, so you get this kind of result. But if you do this on the opposite, as this being the target and this the solid, then this is the solid that it will be worked. On the side of the sheet body, so if I say target body is this and the tool is this, then I get this kind of condition. If I invert the selection and say target and the tool is this, then I get a mistake. Okay, so some of the operations may be not possible with the conditions, and especially in terms of sheet bodies. For last, the intersection. So target, tool, in this particular case is not important because it's the part that is common to both objects. And in this particular case also, intersection for these two elements, so it's not possible also. And to test it, we can try selecting first this and then the other. Okay, in this particular case it is possible. We have a common area inside the cylinder with this shape. We have some more functions that can work only with sheets, having the target and the tool body as sheets. We will speak about dealing with these sheet bodies and several commands that we have available later in this course. So at that time we will see some more possibilities about dealing with sheet bodies specifically. So in terms of Boolean operations, this is the very basic knowledge to understand about. So any different situation, anything less clear in this short video, tell us something through the usual email and comments and on the YouTube video of this lesson.